Hi, this is SDD, Software Design Document Review. My name is Yuhao Lin and I'm from Group Ug-06. The purpose of this presentation is to provide a review of software design documents created for the SEP course. This is the outline of this presentation. Firstly, I will check the organization and the completeness. Then I will check the software design. In the last week, our group already submitted the first draft. In our draft, we have already provided the sufficient information regarding the planning analysis and the interaction between the front end and back end. Explanations are all in natural languages, so that if the people who do not have any background knowledge about this, they will still can understand what is going on. Meanwhile, our decision are well documented and our whole project is well motivated. Our software architecture has been shown in our component design sections. This shows the different components of the architectures and how they interact with each other. Then we will look at the design part. The overall system will be based on the MEVN architecture. This uses MongoDB for the database, Express and Node.js as a backend, and Vue for the templating. This architecture is one of the most popular architectures in industry nowadays. Also, the ER diagram is used to design entities, inputs, and outputs derived from the software structures. An ER diagram illustrates the details of the whole structure and the system's data flows. As we are in the early stage, and the SDD is just a draft now, so we do not have any alternative architectures. So for the same reason, currently the architecture is fairly inflexible. Changes in the requirements are not likely to impact the underlying architecture of the systems. Also, all the changes have to be well documented. So here is the relevant architectural views. The first page is the login page, and the second page is the question page. Here is the ER diagrams. From the ER diagrams, we will easily know what's going on here and what's the relationship between the candidate and admin and question submissions and all the attributes they have. And here also mention the number relationship here. Here is 141 and here is N41. In our design, the non-functional requirements are considered. For example, for the response time, our architecture at first is designed to be as simple as possible, and then we consider the safety issues and the backup plan in later development. So far, all the requirements are covered. Then the functionality is graded probabilities for the decisions made regarding the system architectures. And the changes to the system design baseline are managed and controlled, as any changes should follow the process mentioned in before documents. The system design activities will be reviewed with project managers and leaders in weekly client meetings. So that's all for the SDD review. Thank you for listening.